Not only do we offer our partners really good educational information, but we also like to translate that into their business. So our partnership program is one of the most advantageous partnership programs in the industry. You're very generous with free shipping and give back and samples and things like that. Why is the partnership program set up the way that it is?
I think that supporting the partners is probably one of the biggest elements to their success, which translates into one of the most important elements to our own success. And one of the things that I recognized and discovered very early on is the more we support our partners, the more they're going to continue to grow. And the phrase is not my own, little fish become big fish. So the more that we're able to feed the partners, whether it's business support, whether it's education, whether it be things like free shipping when they get to a certain level, it also drives them to want to be able to do more. And the more we support them and the more we're able to provide for them, the less they're gonna feel the need to go elsewhere. And people like to feel like they're part of something. And especially at a time where Circadia is growing at a tremendous rate, they want to be part of something that is special and unique and growing at the same time. So it really is a relationship-driven type of business. We're feeding each other, essentially.
And the concept of feeding each other, and this is such a passionate topic for you, about not going direct to consumer, truly supporting the partner. People have said, Michael, this is crazy. You're leaving so much opportunity on the table, but you've been so adamant about not selling direct to consumer and competing for business with our own partners.
Yes. Yeah, that's been a big question mark for us for a long time, is at what point do we start selling direct to the consumer? Because we know that in the professional market for skincare, many brands, many companies decide that that is the route that they're going to go. And we've been very steadfast in making the decision that that's not something that we're going to do. And that's something that my grandfather, that was one of his wishes, is to make sure that we are a professional brand, not just because of the type of products that we're creating. These are meant to be not only administered, but recommended by professionals, but it's something that he wanted. So we're staying true to that idea, that concept, and making sure that Circadia is and will forever be a professional skincare brand.
We offer so many different partnership levels, ranging anywhere from something a single room esthetician can hit all the way up to some of our larger properties. What is involved in the partnership programs?
Sure. It's very easy to get started with Circadia. You can start with a couple products if you just kind of take a look, if you're already committed to another brand, but there's something here that's caught your interest and intrigued you on some level, but really getting moving with the brand and being able to bring it in on a higher level. We've got our different levels: gold, platinum, diamond, blue diamond tiers, and those come with a variety of different perks, whether it's volume discounts, the gala celebration that we have every year, bringing our higher level partners in, whether it be support with education, Circadia University, different workshops that we have to offer. There's a number of different ways that we are capable and able to support our partners.
I'm glad you mentioned that you can start with us at any level, because I think that's also important nowadays to not have a minimum order. We want to make sure we're doing business with them at the level that they feel is comfortable at that time. So if you want to just buy our Marshmallow Whip hydrating mask, you always have that option. But if you do decide to bring us on in a bigger capacity, our Advantage program, when you first do your opening order, there's significant perks and discounts in those as well.
Sure, absolutely. I mean, and you can't ignore the fact that there is a multitude of new students that are coming out, graduating from aesthetic school, and don't necessarily have the guidance to jump into a new business venture without talking to a brand and saying, hey, what should I do? What should I be looking for? Without, really having being force-fed an opening order package. So we really want to give them that roadmap to success, and we're doing that with Circadia University and being able to tee up, okay, not only is this product knowledge, but it's also some guidance on best business practices as well.
Mm-hmm. And we're taking partnerships to a different level, not only with our partners that are carrying Circadia, but also with other manufacturers. I feel like you're one of the first in the industry to partner with companies like Hydrofacial and Regenerate and all of the other brands that you're working with. What do they say? Collaboration is the new...
Sure, yeah, that's not ours. Collaboration is the new competition. But yeah, the opportunity to work with Hydrofacial and create a co-branded product, the boosters to go into the device, our partnership that we have for dermaplaning with the Skin Lady. There's a number of partnerships for modalities that we did here. on Circadia University. So we're always looking for ways to find opportunities to collaborate, to expand not only the network of professionals that we have, but to find ways for professionals to get the best possible results for the clients that they're taking care of. And it's a concept, it's a philosophy that has served us well thus far, and it's just a great way to introduce Circadia to a whole new group of professionals.
And then translates back to helping our partners in the end.
Correct.